How to deactivate your Facebook account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can deactivate your Facebook account. Now before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. So the first step that you might want to do to deactivate your account is open up your Facebook. So locate the Facebook app and open it up. After you open up your Facebook app, head over to your menu on the bottom right corner. After you're here, tap on the settings or the gear icon on the top right. If you don't see it there, scroll down and there you'll see settings and privacy. Expand on that and then tap on settings. After you do that, there you'll find Meta Accounts Center. Tap on Meta's Account Center. And after you're here, scroll down. There you should see account settings. Head over to personal details. And there you'll find account ownership and control. So here you'll need to head over to account ownership and control. And there you'll find an option to deactivate or delete your account. So select deactivation or deletion. And after you select that, you'll need to choose your account. So select your Facebook account. And simply make sure that you have selected deactivate account option and not delete account. So tap on continue after that. After you've done that, tap on continue again and basically follow the prompts. Finally, all you have to do is enter your password and tap on continue, and this is the basically confirmation to deactivate your account. And after you type in the password and tap on continue, the account will get deactivated. To reactivate your account, you'll simply need to log in into your account and the account will be reactivated. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.